your boyfriend must not have to owe you money. You understand? Just because he can say, baby, please give me money, I will give you back. You have to know that that money will not come back again. You understand? Because a man, guys, most of the men or most of the boyfriends, they doesn't want to know that they are broke most of the times. They doesn't want to know he can go to somewhere and owe someone money, not his girlfriend. Guys, you have to know that when you give your boyfriend money, don't expect that money will come back. You understand? He will not give you back that money most of the times. Just because him, guys, a man, most of the men, they have got pride. He doesn't want to owe money to his girlfriend. He can owe it to someone, not to your girlfriend. You understand? And most of the times, that person you give money, you owe your boyfriend money. When he have got a lot of money, he doesn't care about you most of the times, because guys, when your boyfriend wants you to give him money, you have to know that he doesn't care about you most of the time.